Hi, I'm Sam, and I'm a dad. And in case you haven't noticed, school's ramping back up and life's getting busy again. Run along, children. But just because you're running around like a chicken who's just lost its head doesn't mean your kids will stop needing to eat literally every hour of the day. If you're like me, you don't have time to make 17 meals in a single day, and if you're a toddler, you're so busy you barely make it to the bathroom on time, let alone cook a 5-course meal for yourself whenever you get a little hangry. Wouldn't it be great if your sweet children, both big and small, could scarf down only the best and most nutritious foods anytime their tummies started to rumble? Well now, thanks to our newest Dad Snack Hack, they can. And don't worry, moms, you can steal this one too. Introducing Grab & Go Snack Awesomeness, located in a highly accessible drawer of your refrigerator. Simply load a drawer or section of your fridge with easy access super snacks and make it accessible to the kids at any time of the day, making snack time anytime and parent-free. Great snacks like butterfly grapes, protein pals, adorable. Now you have the power to make healthy snacks available, and your kids have the power to choose what they snack on. For more nutrition info and recipe ideas, visit our blog at arizonamilk.org.